Judy. Well, you came and you baked me some cookies.
Oh no! Our table is broken!
Very good, Carl.
Lily was a little girl, afraid of the big white world. She grew up within her castle walls.
My plan's better than yours. It's not. It's so. It's so.
I wish I was never born! That's not how you play!
And I feel like I just got home. And I feel like I just got home. And I feel. Usually when I get on these kind of rides, I get real sick. I'm just not sweating.
Oh, come on, Carl, you can do it. The whole town's depending on you. You'll be a hero.
Really? Okay.
打ち込むのは 誇りのバレエ
So confusing! Throw that one away!
Oh, Judy. Well, you came and you baked me some